Hi, welcome to our channel Jovilla. Today we are going to discuss the jobs opening in different positions in Vinci Engineers Recruiting Agency. So we discuss the details. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon button, and also share this channel with others. Further details of the jobs: as part of our development, Vinci Engineer is recruiting a wide range of profiles, whatever you are. First position is plumber, male female, electrician male female, buyer supplier male female, technician D maintenance, HVAC male and female, technician D etudes, CFA CFO CVC male female, site supervisor male female, both are applying for these positions. Animator HSC male and female, site manager male and female, BMS GTC technicians male and female. So come and join our teams. There is bound to be a position for you with us. For apply for these positions, contact number is Kongzu MOL 0619568470, and email ID is eemmanuel.couzigou@vincigies.com. We hope this video is helpful for you to apply for these positions. Thank you.